Hey there community, welcome back to my channel. And today, by the title you see it, I'm gonna show you a quick, it's not really quick, let me not lie, an easy way to blow out your hair. Now, the reason why I decided to play around with this trick is not even because it's quick, but because it's effective and it's easier to blow out your hair. Now, if you have straight hair, blowing out your hair might be as easy as just taking a brush and a blow dryer, and that gives you a smooth result. For my hair, because I have a lot, it's a little bit trickier, so I used curl formers in this video, as you will see later on, to kind of give me a straight, or not even straight, a sleek canvas to work with. And then I used this, I don't know what you call it in English, in Dutch we call it föhnborstel. I used this blow dryer brush thing to kind of like blow out my hair. Now, okay, if you think this is too much work, you just want to blow dry your hair, that's all good. I'm personally still waiting for Rev Air to come up with a international option for their Rev Air dryer, but hey, until then, I like this method. It's not really quick, but with me, nothing with my hair is quick, but it's pretty easy to get a blown out result. So this is my hair. I like it a lot. My hair always shrinks, so this is what I'm working with right now. Now, for the products that I use to wash my hair, there's nothing really spectacular to say about the shampoo, but the mask that I did use is this one. Is the Apogee Curlific Texture Treatment. The reason why I chose this is because silicones. Usually I don't use silicones, but when I want to blow out my hair and I know it's going to be kind of humid, I do blow out my hair. So this weekend is gonna be kind of humid. I'm gonna be in Paris for the Natural Hair Academy. Whoop, whoop. So I use this to kind of fight against the humidity. I also use the heat protectant with a lot of silicones in there to see if it helps. Now, all I can say about this mask, I like it, but it's weird. If you want to see an entire video on this, what I mean, let me know, but it's weird, but I like it. Okay, so last but not least, let's talk about this brush. There's nothing special to say about this brush. I just bought it for 10 euros here in Holland. I wanted a brush that did not have little balls on the end because that yanks out your hair, and something that you can control the speed of the heat with. So this was simple, it was cheap, so I bought it. It's more about the technique that you're gonna see than about a fancy blow dry brush. Video, you're gonna see me detangling my hair with this. Yeah, don't do that. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't amazing either. Off camera, I just went in with my Denman brush, and then I went in with this. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna just let you see what I did. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so we're gonna start this video with my hair freshly washed. I put it in some bantu knots, and I put a microfiber towel over my hair so it's not soaking wet. The two products that I used that I really want to shout out was the deep conditioner that I used from Apogee. This was a weird product, but I actually did like it. It sealed my hair really well. And the leave-in by As I Am. This is very moisturizing. I actually like this product. So I'm gonna do this blowout with the Shea Moisture cream that I'm showing you here. I love this cream for blowouts. It's really good. The whole Jamaican black castor oil line is bomb. But okay, so as you can see, I'm gonna take one section, I'm gonna apply the Shea Moisture cream, I'm gonna detangle it a bit, and then I'm gonna work in small sections. In small sections, I'm gonna apply the curl formers one by one. You guys already know how I do this. If you don't, in the iCard, I have my curl former tutorial. So one by one, I'm quickly gonna apply the curl formers. You don't have to be too neat. And when I've done that, you see my entire head. Okay, boom. And then I'm just gonna take the time to dry my hair. I usually do this under the dryer because I have low porosity hair. It takes a while to dry my hair. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is dry, and now it's time for the blowout session. Okay, so I take out a curl former one by one, and you can see the curl here. My hair is sleek and it's stretched. That's what we want. So I go in with the serum, and one by one, this is what I do. So I take out the curler like I said, I put my serum, and then I take the blowout brush and I just comb out my hair without the brush being on. So in hindsight, I wouldn't use the brush for this anymore. I would just use my Denman. It's a lot more gentle. When I've detangled my hair with the brush off, I turn the brush on, and that's when I start to blow out my hair. So as you can see, I just put the brush against my hand to kind of feel if it was too hot for my hair. But this brush on the #1 setting was pretty good for my hair. So I go one by one and I just brush out my hair, guys. That's basically it. I do this a few times. I take out the curl former, I detangle my hair with the serum in it, and then I turn on the brush and then I blow out my hair. So after I've done this a few times, I take a larger section and then I put the brush on again and I blow out that section, just making sure that I really get all those pieces. And then I put the brush a little bit higher, and then for a few seconds I just brush it on #2. And that's it. I just do that over my entire head. I'll show you the section in the front. I just take out the curl former one by one. I apply my serum. I brush it out without it being on. Then I blow it out on a low setting. I do this until I have like a large section, and then I go in again. It was actually pretty easy, a lot easier than what I normally do. And this is a close-up of what one section looks like. You can see the shine, but it's not super duper straight. It's not what I was going for anyway. So this would be a really good step if you wanted to flat iron your hair. This would be a really good step before that. So yes, this is me with the half of my hair done. It looks pretty cute, pretty elongated. I'm happy. And I just go over that half a section again with the brush, and then I do a little bit of magic, snap my fingers, poof, ooh, I'm done. Ooh, ooh. You see what I did there? Ooh. So yeah, I'm done. This is my entire head done. Yeah, I'm happy. It doesn't look that different than my usual blowout. It's a little bit more elongated, but it's a lot easier than what I would normally do. So yeah, look at me looking cute. Hey girl, boop, 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 boop. So let's go to the outro, people. Thank you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you already did this method and it's nothing new, then okay, but I enjoyed it. I'm going to Paris. I am super excited, and I'm not gonna yap your ear off, but I will see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're super loyal, follow me on Instagram at MinervaJoy13, and if you're new, please subscribe and ring that notification bell. I will see you in the next video, and have a wonderful day wherever you're at. Okay, bye.